and different schools of Jowai. The 34th District Level Industrial Exhibition organised by the Office of the General Manager of District Commerce and Industrial Centre in Jowai concluded on Thursday at the Lathlabo Indoor Sports Hall, Madan Daimasi in Jowai. Around 42 stalls were set up by different government departments and self-help groups from West Jayanti Hills district. The exhibition was inaugurated by Jowai local MLA Wailad Miki Shilla, who was also the chief guest at the function, in the presence of Deputy Commissioner West Jayanti Hills B.S. Solia as the guest of honour. General Manager DCIC A. Malnyang in his welcome address informed that the aim of the exhibition is to encourage unemployed youth to establish and start their own businesses.
Industries, the basin, the NRLM, the bone competitor. Chimon, the training, the AD. Tamai more manchwas, now see you are, he can't improve young bone sin, depoline will be training, large will be training. Depoline will be training, large will be training. Mem woman, you are, take you are, impatient. The name you are big, you are yai cha. Iyak dong pa i yak profit